Blind Man's Bluff, how to play. This is a drinking game. If you would like to play without alcohol, use water instead and add this rule. Whenever a player goes to the bathroom, they are eliminated from the game. The last player standing wins. Shuffle a standard 52-card deck of playing cards and deal one card face down to each player. Players do not look at their card, but instead hold their card to their forehead so everyone else can see it but not them. Players then look at each other's cards and decide if they will fold or stay in. Once the time for folding is over, the remaining players reveal their cards and the player with the highest rank is the winner. King is high and ace is low. Every player who folded who had a lower card than the winning card must take 2 drinks. Every player who folded who had a higher card than the winning card must take drinks equal to the value of their card. Aces are worth 1, all the way up to kings, which are worth 13. Every player who didn't fold who lost must take drinks based on the difference between their card and the winner's. If the winner's tied, then they don't drink. Thanks for watching. Remember, drink responsibly. If you like this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. Check out playingcarddecks.com for an awesome variety of playing cards, and be sure to use my promo code TSG for 10% off your entire order.